Hello, Chefela's family. I am bringing a very new recipe your way today. And this is a very in fact, it's all about vegetable buns. I say vegetable buns. I know some of you right now will be raising your brow like, you know, when you love vegetable, you will try to incorporate it in almost all your meals. Don't worry, you'll see how it goes. Like Obina some right now, because at the end of this session comes enjoyment. This recipe is dedicated to those who so much can't do without Nigerian buns, like they love it. At the same time, they would want to maintain a healthy feeding habit. So instead of eating the regular plain buns, you can infuse some vegetables in it. Now let's begin. I have my carrots, spring onions, and lettuce. You can do without carrots if you don't like it. My husband likes carrots so much. That's why I am using more of the carrots than other veggies. I begin by heating up the spring onions and lettuce without oil. Add a pinch of salt so they can have, good taste. I did not add carrot because, carrot is already sweet now. I do this for just a minute, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool up. As it is cooling off, I move on to prepare the batter. This is 2.5 cups of plain flour. You can sieve it to incorporate air in it, but I didn't sieve and it will still come out nice. Yes. I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I do not like more sugar. If you like sweet things, you can add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. 1/3 tablespoon of baking soda. If you are using baking powder, 1 tablespoon is fine. Baking soda has 3 times the power of baking powder, hence I'm using 1/3 tablespoon of it. So I mix everything together. In a separate bowl, I whisk an egg, just one. I add half tablespoon of vanilla essence. If you don't like the flavor, you can go ahead to use any flavor of your choice, like cinnamon, nutmeg, and the rest. But please, if the flavoring ingredients is in powdered form, add it to the dry ingredients we just mixed. I am using half cup of milk. I mix the wet ingredients and set aside. Now I'm going to wash my hand off camera. Then I'm back to the dry ingredients. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of margarine. With my hands, I'll be mixing everything together. I use 2 tablespoons of margarine because I try to reduce fats. We are talking about healthy living. But I noticed it was not really, enough. I had to add extra half tablespoon of margarine. And I continued to mix till I couldn't touch any more lumps of the margarine. Then I'll go ahead to make a hole in the middle and pour in the wet ingredients. Continue to mix. Add water gradually. You can replace water with milk. It will definitely be sweeter, Because it's veggies buns, I made the batter this light. If it is rocky buns we are making, the batter will not have been this light. It would have been thicker or harder than this. I am adding little flour to prevent the batter from sticking to the bowl. The main work begins now. To coat the veggies with the batter, I will show you 2 ways you can achieve that. At this point, my oil is already heating up. Please, you don't necessarily need to finish the coating stage before frying. After you have gotten the quantity that is that can go in for the first batch, you are good to go. To test for the readiness of the oil or the temperature of the oil, I'll go ahead to mold little butter and throw in. As it did not come up, the oil is not ready. I'll be giving it a little more time to heat up. Now I'll go ahead to fry our buns. Please don't use low heat or high heat, use medium heat. Low heat will make the buns to take in much oil, while high heat will make the outside to cook faster than the inside, causing it to burn when the inside is still not properly done. The first batch is ready now, so we are going to be bringing them out. Place a paper towel in a flat plate to absorb the excess oil. As you can see, I'm using a small pot instead of a wide frying pan. Yes, I chose to because I'm trying to conserve oil. Feel free to use a wider pan, but don't forget it is deep frying you are going to do, so enough oil has to be involved. So if you don't have too much oil, you better stick to smaller pots. That's it. And as you can see how beautiful those buns. Oh my god, I told you after this video comes enjoyment. I am going to enjoy this with a very chilled juice. Oh my god, guys, you really need to try this. Please do and give me feedback. So that's it. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification. Okay, bye for now. See you in my next video.